Perfect for cleaning your pads on the fly, DP Polishing Pad Cleaner works fast to break down oils left over from compounding and polishing to restore the pad's natural state. DP Polishing Pad Cleaner leaves no residue behind, will not degrade the pad after use. Spray DP Polishing Pad Cleaner directly onto the face of the pad and allow it to soak for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. If necessary, agitate the pad using a foam pad cleaning brush. Thoroughly rinse with water and dry completely before using again. Removes oils from polishing and compound steps, washes away clean, no residue left behind, and safe for use on foam and wool pads. DP Detailing Products, exceptional car care products for the professional, enthusiast, and everyday driver.